Command number 1. Do you know your Windows PC already has a hidden virus removal tool and most people never use it? Press Windows plus R and type MRT and press enter. This will open Microsoft Malicious software removal tool. It will scan your computer for dangerous malware like worm, trojan and other threats and remove them automatically. Try it right now and comment done if your PC is cleaned. Command number 2. Windows Steps Recorder. This tool automatically records every step you click on your computer. To open this tool, press Windows plus R and type PSR here and press the enter button. It opens the step recorder tool in Windows. Now click start record and Windows will capture every click and steps you perform on your screen. When you stop recording, Windows automatically creates a step-by-step guide with screenshots that you can share with anyone. Command number 3. Disk Cleanup Tool. Is your Windows PC slow or running out of storage? This command can instantly clean gigabytes of junk file from your computer. Just type cleanmgr in run command and press enter. Most people download third-party cleaners, but Windows already has a powerful built-in tool which is called Disk Cleanup. Now select all the junk file and press delete. Command number 4. Do you know your Windows has a secret command that instantly reveals all your system's information details? Just open run command and type this command here. Most people open settings and search for it, but there is a much faster trick. Here a small windows appear showing your Windows information. Command number 5. Your computer is storing hundreds of junk files and they are slowing down your PC. To open this setting, press Windows plus R and write temp here and press enter. A folder will appear showing temporary files, caches and users data that Windows created but no longer needs. These files can take hundreds of MBs or even several GBs of your storage. Clean them and make your PC fast. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.